Good day. Good day.
Good day, ma'am.
Can you introduce yourself?
Good day, ma'am, sir. My name is Gina Garces. I live in Valenzuela City. I'm single mother, have 2 kids. I have 3 brothers and 2 sisters. I'm youngest sister of my siblings.
Do you have any experience in working abroad before as domestic helper?
Yes, ma'am. I have experience Saudi Arabia. I served the family 6 members.
How long did you stay in that employer?
2 years and 10 months.
How about in the Philippines? Do you have any experience working abroad working as domestic helper?
Yes, ma'am. I have experience to take care of 3-year-old kids.
What are your main duties in your previous employer?
Cleaning, cooking, serve the food to their family, ironing, washing, and cleaning over the house.
Why did you choose to work in Hong Kong?
Because Hong Kong is different to other country, Hong Kong is high salary.
Do you know how to cook some simple Chinese food?
Yes, I know, ma'am. I know how to steam fish, fried chicken, and fried rice.
Are you willing to take care of newborn baby?
Yes, ma'am.
How about an elder person?
I will.
What if the baby has a fever? What will you do?
I will check the baby before I telling to my employer if they are fine.
What can you teach to your employer's children?
Teach them how to read alphabet and writing, sing and dance.
Can you sing a nursery song?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you give an example?
Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky.
What kind of employer are you looking for?
Understanding and kind.
Are you afraid of dogs and cats?
No, ma'am.
What can you say about yourself, your attitude?
I'm kind, honest, and hardworking, ma'am.
Can you give a short message to your future employer so that they will hire you?
Hello, ma'am, and sir, to my employer in Hong Kong. I hope you hired me as your domestic helper, and I promise I will do my best to take care of your family and follow your rules inside the house. Thank you, ma'am. Have a good day.